right, here's the big breaking news that we're currently tracking. Big setback now for Delhi Mantri Satyendar Jain. Supreme Court refuses to intervene in the Delhi Mantri's case. The Supreme Court refuses to provide any relief to Satyendar Jain. Jain's bail plea stayed in Hawala case earlier as well. Supreme Court has now refused to intervene in Satyendar Jain's case. No bail for Delhi Minister Satyendar Jain. Directs trial court to decide on the matter themselves tomorrow. Nalini Sharma joining us for more on that. Nalini, a quick word. Satyendar Jain, Delhi Minister, has been in prison for months. He's been in custody and he's been attempting at seeking bail. And it appears even the Supreme Court has stayed away from this matter, saying that let the lower court now decide on these matters. Let the trial court for itself decide whether bail should be given or not. What has prompted Satyendar Jain to reach the High Court for bail?
Well, Nabila, he's approached the Supreme Court, not the High Court for bail.
I beg your pardon, Supreme Court, yeah.
And the reason why he's approached the Supreme Court is because the ED, if you remember, had recently filed an application before the Rouse Avenue Court where they had asked for this entire case regarding his bail to be transferred out of Rouse Avenue Court to another court. And because of this application of the Enforcement Directorate to transfer this case, his bail plea had remained pending and the judge was not deciding on the bail plea. So even though the Supreme Court today has refused to interfere and said that they will not get into this issue because it's a matter of bail and personal liberty and it should be sent back to the trial court. But at the same time, they've specifically directed the principal district sessions judge to decide this matter tomorrow itself. And by this matter, I mean the ED's application regarding transfer of this case. So by tomorrow itself, the district court has to decide as to whether or not this case will be transferred out of Rouse Avenue Court to another court, or will the Rouse Avenue Court continue hearing the matter. And in case they decide that they will continue hearing the matter, then the next step would be to hear arguments on Satyendar Jain's bail. So it remains to be seen what happens tomorrow. But for now, the Supreme Court, although has refused to interfere, but at the same time, they've issued specific directions saying that the matter should be decided expeditiously because it's a matter of personal liberty and Satyendar Jain's already been in jail for several days now.
All right, Nalini, thank you very much. Big setback now for Delhi Mantri Satyendar Jain as the Supreme Court refuses to intervene or grant him bail, asking the trial court now to take up the matter and deliberate first.